This could be the car for you. The 2023 Nissan Kicks. This Nissan Kicks packs a lot of fun into an efficient, compact package. Enjoy the benefit of its spacious interior, comfortable ride, ample cargo space, and touchscreen infotainment. It's big on safety too. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: lane departure warning, keyless entry, backup camera, keyless start, blind spot monitor, Bluetooth connection, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, intermittent wipers, traction control. Navigate your world in confidence and style in this safety-minded Kicks. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.